Hey, hi beauty fam, this is Uma. You are watching Beauty Tips with Uma. Before head into the video, please subscribe to my channel. So today's look, I am going to turn out how to get ready for party. If you are ready, let's get started. Here I am using BZ Before Makeup Oil. This oil is perfect for dry skin, massaging well through face, neck and all to hydrate my face. For today's look, foundation is Rimmel London 25 Hours Finish Breathable SPF 28 foundation I am using. Blending well with my favorite MAC brushes, this foundation can make your look flawless. Using concealer, Rimmel London Stay Satin Concealer in the shade of Rouge to cover my dark circles near side lips and underneath eye. Making a drops, and you all know well, I use sponges to blend concealer. To my eyelid, I am using the same concealer and covering dark pigments by blending well with sponge. For the one last time, blending complete face with use and throw sponge blenders. This can remove excess makeup from the face and gives flawless. Using MAC press powder under the shade of medium, puffing up complete face and neck to make sure that the foundation and concealer is in a correct and long lasting without having any cake makeup. Using LA Girl Velvet Bronzer and contouring my face. If you need a slim face, then you need to contour in the bone of your face. Blending well with my favorite oval makeup brushes. Now you can look how my face turning into shape and structured with contour. Using MAC Stubborn Brown Shade Eye Pencil to draw eyebrows, filling the brow shade wherever I am not having eyebrows eventually. Fitting to the other brow. Combing brows well with a brow brush to make sure my brows are sitting in a place. Make sure that the edges of brows are filling well. I like to make brows broad look because I don't like slim brows to my face. One last time combing it well and setting the shape of my eyebrow. Using Benefit Cosmetics Brow Pencil, shading brows to look everything perfect. Here comes the main part. Using BH Cosmetics Zodiac Eyeshadow Palette in the shade of brown shade and creasing a line under the crease area. Blending well to get that perfect line under the creasing area. Repeating the same steps to the other eye. Using gold shimmer shade and creasing to the eye bone area to highlight the bone. When you do this, your eyebrows look stunning. Using magenta shade and blending to the complete eyelid with this beautiful color. Take your time and blend the shade well. Using brown smoky shade and grazing to the corner eye to get that light beige smoky look to the side of my eyes. Using pink shimmer shade and drawing a wing line under the creasing area, this can highlight your eyes with a nice wing lining lid of eye. Now to the water eyelid, creasing that brown smoky shade from the same palette and blending to the water eye. This can cover if you have any dark circles and also smudge eye look on face. Using magenta shade and dusting to the water eye, not too much but just a little bit to highlight the eye with a shade. Using pink shimmer shade and pressing to the corner eyelid, this can highlight complete eye and makes your eye too good. Using MAC volume mascara in the shade of black and blending up to my lashes to get that volume look. Using Milani magenta shade lipstick and applying it. It's a soft and glow lipstick everywhere in my collections. I love it. Using orange place and brushing my cheekbones. Using BH Cosmetics highlighter and highlighting to my face under the highlighter area like cheekbones, nose, upper lip and chin. Can you see that spark glow on my face when blending the highlighter? Here is my Indian bindi for parties. Here I go with the roughened saree and my loose hair with the beautiful earrings. If you like this makeup, then please hit like, share and comment. We'll be back soon with a brand new video. Bye bye.